It's Sunday, April 27th, 2014, and I'm Jim Sullivan with your NeoWeather.com video forecast. As of 10:30 in the morning, no rain or anything showing up on radar anywhere near Ohio. There's some clouds filtering in. These are the high clouds that'll filter the sun, but they won't completely block it. Temperatures rising into the mid and upper 40s right now after a chilly start in the 30s. Taking a look across the entire country now, it's pretty active in the central portion of the country. There's a large system moving out of the Rockies, and in the southern plains, east into parts of the Mississippi Valley, there's going to be a good amount of severe weather today. Already some severe thunderstorm warnings ongoing with the storms there. There's a low-pressure system spinning off the New England coast. It's not doing a whole lot, bringing some rain to portions of Lake Maine. It is keeping us locked in a sort of chilly northerly flow today, so it is sort of impacting us. Eventually, everything will sort of shift east, and we'll get into the rain and storms that are occurring to our west. All right, now coming back to Cleveland, looking at the numbers yesterday, we did 59 and 40 in Cleveland, which is a little bit below the averages of 64 and 44. Records for today, 86, 27. No rainfall at Hopkins yesterday. We're running above normal on the month of April, a little below normal on the year. We're going to set the sun at 8:21 tonight. And today won't be a whole lot different from yesterday. Temperatures on average near 60. Areas closer to Lake Erie will be stuck in the 50s. Areas farther south will get above 60. Those high clouds are going to continue to filter in through the afternoon, and tonight will become mostly cloudy with lows in the low to mid 40s. And pollen counts continue to run pretty high across northern Ohio. Tree pollen bordering on the moderate and high category, so if you're sniffling or sneezing, probably because of the trees. There are a few mold spores as well, although not too many. Nothing else right now causing any sniffling or sneezing. Alright, so taking a look at our Futurecast over the next 24 hours. In the color fill, I have the Storm Prediction Center Severe Weather Outlook on. This is valid through 8 a.m. tomorrow morning Eastern Time. Anywhere in the green, there could be some thunder. You can see that avoids northern Ohio through tonight. Yellow areas have an elevated risk for severe weather, and the red area has a substantial risk for severe weather per the Storm Prediction Center. So, we'll see what happens. The models don't show the activity over Kansas and Oklahoma real well that's happening right now, but they show another batch of strong to severe storms developing later this afternoon and pushing into the higher risk area. And if that happens, there could be a fair number of tornadoes today. So we'll see if that makes the news or not. Then as we head through tonight, the storms push east and slowly weaken as they run into some drier, cooler air over the Great Lakes and New England. And as you can see through tonight, we should stay dry here in Ohio. Right, so picking Futurecast back up tomorrow morning, the storm center slowly continues moving east, so we eventually spread rain chances into Ohio tomorrow. Tomorrow, the best severe threat will be in the deep south, from portions of Kentucky into Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi, eastern Louisiana. There could be some thunder in Ohio tomorrow, maybe some severe weather in the far southwestern portion of the state, but no big outbreaks expected here tomorrow. There could be some decently heavy rain at some point between tomorrow night and Wednesday night. If we get severe weather in Ohio, it'll be on Tuesday. As I turn the instability on for this model, you can see some instability tries building in Tuesday as the low center continues to slowly move east. So we'll have to watch for that. Maybe a stronger storm or two on Tuesday, but I think that'll be about the extent of it here in northern Ohio. As we keep rolling through Wednesday, though, you can see periodic shower chances, so it's definitely going to be a very damp next several days once the rain chances arrive tomorrow. Alright, so let's try and look for some relief on the big picture forecast charts. Unfortunately, that's hard to come by. There's a bit of an atmospheric logjam over North America this week, which means that once we get under the storm system tomorrow into Tuesday, we're going to stay there. We do get a bit of a warm push of air Tuesday and Wednesday. However, eventually that storm slowly spins east and allows some colder air to filter in to end the work week and as we head into next weekend. And unfortunately, that cooler weather, that dip in the jet stream remain overhead as we head into next weekend, which means we'll probably remain chilly, unsettled well into next weekend. Looking at the whole continent, not a whole lot of relief in sight. You can see there's a high pressure here pushing into Greenland over the central and eastern Atlantic, another high pressure over Alaska, so that's sort of pushing all the cold air into Canada and trying to force it south on us. I don't think this pattern will break through at least May 10th. Alright, so the 7-day, as you may expect, not very nice. Rain chances arrive on Monday with highs in the lower 60s, and then rain chances persist through next weekend here across northern Ohio. Thunder chances arrive here in northern Ohio starting Monday evening, and they persist through Wednesday. If there is a stronger storm, it would be Tuesday, but again, the threat is not extreme. Warmest days will be Tuesday and Wednesday with highs in the upper 60s, lower 70s, we hope. Best chances for heavy rain will be Monday night through Wednesday evening. There may be some minor flooding issues. I don't think it'll be a big deal, though. And then as we head towards the end of the work week, scattered showers stick around and temperatures slowly cool, and that pattern doesn't look to break anytime soon. All right, again, I'm Jim Sullivan. Thanks for watching. Check us out again tomorrow.